When I look at where I'm coming from, I know I'm blessed, and I close my eyes and smile.
Hi babies, Mstoofine here. Welcome back to my channel. So today is another vlog, and of course my vlogs them late, but I'm still share them nonetheless. So today I am going to Puerto Seco beach, which is in Discovery Bay, St. Anne, right babe? Yeah. And so I'm going to take you on the journey with me. Lily, you want to come say hi? Come and say hi, baby. Come. Watch out. Come say hi. Come. Hi. Okay. What the baby just said? Say hi. Hello, guys. Right. Blow them kiss. Blow them kiss now. Mwah. Nice. So I'll talk to you. I'm going to pick up Elande and then we'll head out. Oh, I have to get some snacks from the supermarket. So I guess we're gonna stop there first. So leave it, baby, leave it. So I'll take you guys with me for the joyride. Oh, oh, princess. Kelly. Oh, what is Kelly? Here, baby, here. Lee. Here, baby. Here, stay. Wait for my. Come, baby. Come. Sis in the back. Come, princess. Come, baby. Come. Come, no. Come, baby. Come. Come down. Right, lift up now. Come. This so nice, see? Come, brothers. My face come out in the sun. Come, I have to pick up Elande. We're late. Come, good as. Hmm? Hot? Hot. Hot? Oh. So should I drive at the front? Well, if you want to. Okay, I forgot to let you guys know that Ellen is here. Yes, baby. Okay, you really I say. Oh yeah, we're up on the toll now. I mean, April toll. We're on the highway. The glass is tinted, so that's why the video is a little bit dark, which is why I don't want to video in here. And I'm not at the front, so it's not as bright. But yeah, leave it, baby, leave it. Oh yeah. Every time, swallow. Every time we come on the tour, the road I fix it. Always a fix. Kelly, Jesus. Kelly have the mic in her mouth. But it good enough to pick up the sound in her mouth. No, man. Me have to play it over. See the girl. Oh my God. What the mic are doing in your mouth? Eat it, baby, eat it. Got so much. Look, oh yeah, not save yourself. I want to take damage. We'll make a stop to get orange juice to Lee. Hey, Kelly, Lee.
Pretty little pretty where you own. Me nah live, 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 me nah live.
Okay guys, so we reached, so that's, you know what walk? We should have, but I want to put on my shades because I mark my face. I'm going to take a good selfie. She want to walk, watch her. Oh lady. Lady. Hey, hey, hey. Okay guys, so we reach. Jesus, yo, man, sweat like a pig. Alright, go.
Go with Dada.
Kelly, you want to walk? So yeah, we reach. We're going to change the room. Come out right now. I need to go in the water. Come baby. You know the cool shit. Lily! Hey! Hey! We need to come in at the water. The water feels so good. Oh, we're reaching, guys. I didn't ask somebody to wipe up my face. I'm going to take no picture in the bathroom because I'm hot. I'm just need to come in at the water. When I reach you, I'm going to tell them about how much it costs. I'm not even not hear me right now. But the water feel good. Show me over the chair. Eh?
Hey baby, hi baby. What's your face? What's your face?
What's your face? What's your face? What's your face? What's your face, baby? Yo, we're the first people to come in the water and cry. Ready? Ready? Steady. Go!
Good girl. Give yourself a clap. Give yourself a clap. Hey! Hey!
You wear one picture? Cheese, mommy, cheese. Give mommy kiss, give mommy a kiss.
All right, you win. You win, thank you, Brett. What's that? You can't talk, sir. Him extra. Can't come on back with him. We are there. He's back. Come with him. We are not laughing. Why? I want to Lily, but Mark Seco. Get set. Go.
Okay. Yeah, they can't be there for a while. Go down that water. What you gonna be?
Swim, baby, swim. Swim, baby. Swim.
Swim, baby. Lily, come, baby. Lily.
Chip, baby.
You can't see. Kick, mommy.
Strong kick.
Yeah.
Strong kick.
Don't know. Hi, princess.
Hey.
Come now, jump, baby. Jump, baby, jump. I just can go down. One shape good. Cause it's a good eye.
Press the button. Press the button. Press the button. No, you're not press the button. You press the button.
When she go in our car now,
Hey.
you want to go drive good eyes.
Start the car, mama. Start the car. Kelly, start the car.
You drunk?
Dog for sure, get up. Get up and start the car. Start the car. I know this is the key for good girl.
What? And them say people not have sense?
Innocent for you. You can run also?
She have to go get her license from her, is it?
Yes.